Hey friends, Luck here. So welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be looking at some of my favorite bands or straps for the Mi Band 6. So as you guys know, I've done a lot of videos on the Mi Band 6 because I really love the Mi Band 6. I love the design and the functionality of the Mi Band 6 overall. So these are just some of the straps that I use for my Mi Band 6. So these straps are actually budget edition. Most of them come in at under $2, so that's quite cheap when you're talking about bands for your Mi Band 6. So these are not the official bands from the Xiaomi store. These are just bands that I picked up on AliExpress. So the first one that we're going to look at is LeBron James edition strap. So this strap looks really nice. The design is something that I absolutely love. It fits in the hand quite well, just like the original straps, and the design is absolutely awesome. It's one of my favorite and one of the ones that I use quite a lot. So I really love this strap. The quality in itself is not as good as the original strap, but it's still very good for the price that it comes in. So that's definitely one that you guys can check out. So removing the straps actually on the Mi Band 6 is actually quite easy. You just have to apply a little pressure and pull out, and you can take out the device itself from the strap. So the other one that I have is a Pikachu style strap. This one just looks really cool. This one does have a colored edition, but I do like the black and white edition more than I enjoy the colored edition. The colored edition doesn't look as nice as the black and white edition of the strap. It does have a little bump on it. The feel doesn't look exactly too premium, but coming in at under $2, definitely you understand why this doesn't look that premium. So another of my favorite one is sort of like a transparent blue kind of color. So this colorway looks really good, especially if you wear it on a summer day, or if you use matching clothes to wear this. It looks absolutely beautiful. So I'm just gonna put this into the Mi Band itself so you guys can see. So putting this into the Mi Band itself, the color does look absolutely beautiful. Like I said, it's transparent. It's sort of a blue transparent kind of color and looks absolutely beautiful when you hold it and look at it, and especially when you wear it. Definitely it will grab a lot of attention depending on whatever screen you use or whatever watch face you use. This can be a really beautiful look. So another one that I really like and I really enjoy is this one. This is the Minnie Mouse one. So this one is sort of like the Pikachu one. The Pikachu one is like a black and white edition. This one also has the colored edition as well, but I definitely love the black and white edition more than the colored edition. The monotone colors do look absolutely wonderful, especially when you put them on. So this one is the original one that came with the watch. It's just a plain black one. What I can say about this one is that it's quite soft. It's definitely softer than the rest of them when you feel them. The rest of them do feel a little bit harder compared to this one. The original one from the Xiaomi store is definitely softer than the one you would get from AliExpress or you would get from any other online store. So this one is the last one that we have here. So this one is just in the purple colorway. So I got this one because it does look quite beautiful. It is a purple colorway, like I said, and the purple colorway does pop out a lot and looks absolutely wonderful when you wear it and when you use it. But it is quite difficult to wear with other types of clothes, so I don't quite use this one a lot. I do use the transparent one and the Pikachu one more than I use the rest of them, more than when I use the original one from the Xiaomi store. So these are just a look at some of the bands that I use for my Mi Band 6. I've done a lot of videos on the Mi Band 6, so obviously you guys know that I really love the Mi Band 6. I'm going to drop a link for some of the videos that I've done on the Mi Band 6, and you guys can check them out in the description below. So any questions that you have as to where to buy this, you can just leave them in the comment section, and any video requests that you have, you can also leave that in the comment section down below. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in the next one.